In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust element alignments in your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to spruce up your store's appearance or fine-tune the layout for a better user experience, understanding how to manage element alignments effectively is crucial. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make these adjustments with ease. First things first, you'll want to head over to the site editor. The site editor is where all the magic happens in terms of design and customization. Once you're in the site editor, you should identify the parent element that contains the specific elements whose alignments you intend to modify. A parent element is essentially a container that holds other components or elements of your page. Clicking on this parent element is the key that opens the door to all relevant customization options. It's like choosing a canvas upon which you will paint your adjustments. Once you've selected the desired parent element, you'll notice that its settings appear on the left panel of your screen. This left panel is your command center. It provides all the options and settings needed to modify your element, making it a central aspect of your design process. Here, you'll get to explore a variety of options available to adjust how elements are positioned and aligned within the chosen parent. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the Layout section within this left panel. The Layout section houses all the tools necessary for tweaking the alignments just the way you like. For instance, this is where you can adjust the directional alignments, which essentially allows you to determine where elements are placed directionally within the parent container. You can play around with different alignments until they perfectly match the vision you have for your store's look. Additionally, under the same Layout section, you can manage gaps and positioning. This feature enables you to decide how much space you want between elements. Having a good balance between gaps can make your website look more professional and well organized, enhancing the overall experience for your visitors. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, you've successfully altered the element alignments on your Shopify store. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in how your online store is perceived by visitors. Don't hesitate to experiment with these settings to see what works best for you, as customization is all about making your store reflect your unique brand and style. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing!